So we're learning the melody line by ear in the song Jambalaya. We're in the key of C, and we're just doing the melody line on the verses. So I'm just going to da-da and comp for you as you're figuring out that melody line. So 1, 2, da, 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 da. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. Here comes Ellen. And let me just say, I didn't talk anything about the right hand technique. There are some of you who prefer to just use your thumb to pick out those notes. Absolutely fine. It's kind of the Hawaiian way. Another way is to do that 2-finger thing that we were doing with the finger exercise. And another way to do it is what I do is I get into my finger picking position. So my thumb is resting on the G string, and then the other strings respectively going down to my feet. And so when a melody line, for example, falls on the A string, I will use my ring finger to pluck it. If a melody falls on the E string, I will use my middle finger. That way, when we move a little bit farther up the learning curve, and we do, that way my fingers are all ready to do block chords to turn that melody line into a chord solo. So let me end this recording for you guys.